JCM900 model 4100 dual reverb. Look at this. Only two. Phase inverter input cap? Mayhaps. Let's find out. Please use a number 3 driver. Please. So there's that JCM900 again. I literally just shocked myself. You lose focus for a moment, you touch the wrong thing, and your life can be over. Somebody walks in and finds you cold and crispy. I got away with a burn on my finger. See if I can let you take a peek at that. The little guy right there just cauterized my finger. Unbelievable. Careful out there, guys. Like, we could all fall victim to a little carelessness, so be careful. Anyway, one pair of output tubes, red plating. What could cause that? It's only one side. Only a few things could cause that. Could be a bad phase inverter coupling cap. It could be one bad tube in the pair. Could be two bad tubes in the pair. It could also be a bad speaker cable. So I went through and ruled out the phase inverter coupling caps. These are not shorting or leaking whatsoever, but I went ahead and repaired them with some really nice Panasonic ECQs just to be safe. The rest of these resistors check out wonderfully. Same with these two caps here. There's like extremely low ripple coming off of these guys. So I'm very confident in a bias circuit. I'm getting the same amount of bias voltage across all tubes. So we're balanced there, at least intrinsically within the amp, or natively, I should say. So if the owner was being honest, and I trust him, then one of these tubes are bad. One of these tubes in a pair pulled the other one down. This is a quality control issue, so I'm really hoping that they will stand by the relationship that I have with them and see if we can get this resolved. Bye. I'll actually show you guys at least one of the tests that I do on these caps just to confirm that they are indeed not becoming resistors. All right, we're back. Let me just get this test out of the way because I may need to use this as a data point just to persuade the distributor, who has honored their sales in the past, mind you. But just in case, you just never know what kind of day somebody's having. So here we have C10 and C11, if I'm not mistaken. Forgive me, C9 and C10. So let's just do a quick and dirty resistance check just to see if this thing is going to leak, at least at the voltages provided by this multimeter, or multimeter, as I'm led to believe it should be called. In the background, this is the best I could set this shot up for you guys. So background, you see the old meter flashing. So let's test one. This is, I need to zero these out, but this is the resistance of the meters, of the leads themselves. So grain of salt, right? Now let's see if I can do this without getting my hands in the way. We're on like the infinity range here, and 50 mega ohms and climbing. And same here, I realize that you can't see the value, but there it is. Let's see if I can do it again for you. It's not even reading. Try the other side. Yeah, so these caps are charged now via the meter leads. And there you have it. Sorry, that was just this guy right here. But anyway, there you have it. I should have made it a little prettier, huh? Could I do that? Can I? I don't know. Can I? Oh, look at that. Could have made it nicer for you guys. Something like that, maybe. If you're OCD like me, then maybe I should have listened to my mental illness. Then there's the meter in the background. Let's see if I can do this again. Yeah, so there's nothing here. These guys are in excellent shape. So there you have it. Bye. No, don't shock yourself. Pay attention.